Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with SMG, the podcast where you learn English the way people actually speak in everyday life.
We're happy you're here with us today. Whether you're relaxing at home, taking a walk, or cooking in the kitchen, thank you for choosing to learn with us.
And before we begin, a small reminder. If you enjoy calm conversations, real-life examples, and learning without classroom pressure, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
It really supports us, and it helps you stay connected with future lessons just like this one.
All right, let's slow things down today. No rush. Lisa, how has your day been?
Honestly, just a normal day. Nothing exciting, nothing stressful, and sometimes those are the best days.
I agree. Quiet days are perfect for learning. Your mind feels relaxed and open.
Exactly. And today's topic matches that calm mood. It's something learners see often but still feel unsure about.
Yes, today we're talking about a structure you've probably heard in movies, conversations, and stories. Would have.
When learners hear sentences like, I would have called you, or she would have helped, they understand each word, but together it feels confusing.
Many students tell us, I know would, I know have, I know past verbs, but when they combine, my brain freezes.
So let's say this clearly. If this structure confuses you, you are completely normal.
You're not bad at English. This structure often appears later, around B1, B2 level, and it's rarely explained in a meaningful way.
Today, we're not memorizing rules. We're understanding meaning, feeling, and a real-life use.
Let's start with a simple sentence. I would have helped you.
What feeling do you hear in that sentence?
Regret.
Exactly. Would have often carries emotion, not just information.
It talks about a past action that didn't happen.
A past possibility, not reality.
Clear example. Imagine your friend moved to a new apartment yesterday.
You wanted to help, but you were sick.
You say today, I would have helped you, but I was sick.
That sentence tells us three things. 1, you wanted to help. 2, you didn't help. 3, there was a reason.
That's the heart of would have. It's about what could have happened but didn't.
Real versus imaginary past.
If you say, I helped you, that's a real past action.
But I would have helped you lives in an imaginary past, a situation that exists only in your mind.
We use this structure for regret, missed chances, polite explanations, and reflection.
That's why it sounds very human.
Another example.
You would have passed the exam, but you got sick.
Meaning you didn't pass, but you had the ability.
The situation stopped you.
Form, without stress.
Let's look at the form, no pressure.
The structure is simple. Would plus have plus past participle.
Examples: would have gone, would have seen, would have done, would have helped.
The past participle is the same form you use with have.
Now, would have been.
Let's talk about another common form, would have been.
For example, it would have been amazing.
Meaning, it wasn't amazing because it didn't happen.
Or, that would have been nice. A soft, polite regret.
Real life, work situations.
Let's connect this to real life, starting with work.
Imagine a job interview. You say, I would have answered better, but I was nervous.
You had the ability, but fear stopped you.
Compare that to, I answered better. That sounds incorrect.
This structure protects your meaning.
Relationships and emotions.
Now, imagine you forgot a friend's birthday.
You say, I would have called you, but I lost my phone.
You show intention and care.
If you say, I didn't call you, it sounds cold.
Would have adds humanity.
Common learner mistake. A common mistake is using would have without a reason.
Example: yesterday I would have gone to the market. X.
We expect a reason.
Correct version: I would have gone to the market, but it was raining. Tick.
Now, polite English. Imagine someone invites you somewhere.
Instead of saying, I didn't come, say, I would have loved to come, but I had work.
That sounds warm and respectful. Meaning comparison.
Let's compare 4 sentences.
I didn't help him. Just a fact. I couldn't help him. Inability. I wouldn't help him. Refusal. I would have helped him. Willingness, but no opportunity.
Same verbs, completely different meanings.
Speaking naturally. Many learners understand the rule, but freeze while speaking.
That's normal. Let's try a natural reply.
Instead of saying, I was busy, say, I would have joined you, but I had a family commitment.
It sounds warmer and more natural.
Daily life examples. Health example. I would have exercised more, but I was too tired.
Family example. I would have called my parents earlier, but I got busy.
Party example. It would have been fun, but I arrived late.
Final practice. Imagine you overslept.
I would have woken up earlier, but my alarm didn't ring.
Missed meeting. I would have attended, but I was busy.
Colleague absent. It would have been helpful if you joined.
Today, we learned how to use would have and would have been to express regret, politeness, and reflection.
Remember, don't chase perfection. Start noticing these phrases in movies, conversations, and your own thoughts.
Practice speaking them out loud. Small steps build confidence.
Thank you for spending time with English with SMG.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.